Hello everyone.
Hello.
Hello. My name is Arza. Uh, I'm presenter on episode videos. Speak up.
Speak
Speak
more, be
more.
confident.
Welcome to the presentation on programming fundamental. Today we'll explore the world of coding, starting from absolute zero. No worries. If you never written a single line of code before, this is this is meant for you. Uh, we have uh, 14 topics. What is programming, how computer. We'll go from what is programming, all the way to algorithm debugging, and real world application. Think of it as a complete beginner workshop. Okay, what is programming? What do you about programming?
Coding.
Coding, nice.
I know basic from the UK.
Nice, right. Programming is simple, creating introduction to a computer. Since computer don't understand human language, we use, we use programming language like Python or JavaScript. Things of it like writing a recipe. You write the step. The computer follows them exactly. Next slide to the network basic. Before coding, you need to know of computer works, the CPU in the brain. It executes instruction RAM is temporary memory. Like a word disk, strong is where files like permanently. IRO device handle input and output when you write code. It gets converted into making language the time the CPU run it. Next slide, three. Variable like labeling boxes, they store data, for example, name Alice. Store the text else in a vocabulary name, every variable has a data type. Integer for integer for whole number, float for decimal, float the decimal, string for text, boolean for true or false values, passing the right data type method because it determines what operation you can perform. Next slide. Operator operator are tuples. We use the word with variable. Arithmetic operation, let us calculate operation operator check relationship between values. Logical operator combine condition when you combine variable values and operator together. You get an expression like result. It's like control flow, making the decision. Is how program make decision using if, and else. Your program can cause different paths depending on condition. This is what makes program file intelligent. They react differently based on the situation. Next slide, repeating action. What let you repeat action without writing the same code over and over. A for loop repeat a single number of times. While loop can repeating as long as condition is true. Always make sure your loop has a while be stopped. Otherwise, you create in infinite loop that crashes your program. Next slide, function and reusable block, function and scope. Instead of writing the same logics 10 times, you write it on as function and call it whenever needed. Scope refers to where a variable is accessible. Variable inside a function are local, only visible inside a function, variable outside are global. Accessible everywhere. Next, array and collection. Array and collection let you store values and on a list is ordered and allow duplicates and the sequence store values pairs. Like a pawn book, a set only holds unique values. No duplicate, no duplicates allowed. The table is like a list, but immutable on threaded. I can be changed. Next, object-oriented programming. OOP is about modeling real-world things in code. A class I like blueprint, for example, an animal. Class defines with what all animals have in common. An object is a specific instance of that class. Like a dog, the four pillars are a, as a as a question in very intense programming and abstraction. Together they make code more organizable and scalable. Next, error handling. Error and invisible even experienced developer make them. What matter is handling them gracefully. Python uses try isle block. You put risky code in the try block and handle error in the isle block. To finally block otherwise run whether an error is or not. This prevents crashes and improves visual experience. Next, algorithm and problem solving. An algorithm is a step-by-step one to solve a problem. Like a result, every program is real algorithm. The five-step programmer mindset. Understand the problem, plan the algorithm, write the code, test, then debug, and debug optimism and refine. Next, debugging and best practice. Every programmer deal with bug. Debugging is the skill of finding and fixing them. Best practice include user meaningful variable names, write comment explaining why not choose what, have function small and function handle pass and user git for version control. So you network progress. Next real world application. This fundamental for everything around us. Web development, mobile application, artificial intelligence, and game development. Security data science, all of it is built on the same foundation you learn today. The only difference is the tool and framework to apps. Like next, and resource. Your next step, focus on language and stick with it. Python is great for beginner. Practice every day. User-free ratios like free code camp. CS 15 from hard work and of the language documentation and remember. The best way to learn programming is to just start writing code. Thank you. If you have any question, any question? Okay.
First, uh, how can we improve our program skill effectively?
Uh, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In beginner.
Nutrition.
Yes.
You talk about programming, like you really like it. What makes you like to learn programming?
The company put work to people. Stuff I did.
Your resource your research was right.
Yeah, yes. Next.
Then we have completed the voting project. Voting project was the that is done for anything next. Then what is your view on AI and human factors?
Uh, I have my reset e-learning and project class. Mm, Making a website from a class project and a learning website, that's the most recent project I've made. Uh, Visionnya four, two. One, yeah, two.
What is your opinion if AI replaces human?
I is that, but it's music all before for it, not just for copy paste for it.
So, to repeat my question, as a engineer, um, should I learn the syntax of coded, or should I focus more on the problem solving aspect of coded, like the logic coding, basically?
Better for beginner. When coding, it's more about design phrase or function developer. To learn from the basic of coding using the three programming languages, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And for learning logic, syntax might be for advanced level.
Okay, last question. Maybe I do that, it's okay, because um, the audience can, yeah, yeah. Um, okay. As you know, many of us, it's your best deadline for us to learn. Like, I know, like, ET has been you're talking on the what like special one from you. Maybe you can spend minutes. And then after this play, maybe you can promote us for the outro. Like, don't forget to follow, subscribe, blah blah blah. Global Impact World. Okay, okay. Thank you.
Okay, for those of you who are still beginners learning programming, stay enthusiastic, keep learning. Thank you for the time you have given to the Global Youth Network. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much.
I'll speak up. Speak more.